Ever wondered how those tiny little acorns, seemingly insignificant, can grow into massive oak trees? It's a bit like magic, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of acorns and uncovering the secrets behind their incredible journey from a nut to a towering giant. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an acorn? It's essentially the seed of an oak tree, a package of life waiting to burst forth. Inside that hard shell, you'll find a tiny embryo, the future tree in miniature. But how does this seemingly simple nut transform into a majestic oak? That's where the real magic begins. First, we need a little help from nature. Squirrels, birds, and even gravity play a crucial role in dispersing acorns far and wide. These tiny travelers can end up buried in the soil, carried by streams, or simply left to rot. But for those fortunate acorns that find themselves in the right conditions, the adventure is just beginning. The first step is germination. Once the acorn finds itself in moist soil, it begins to absorb water. This triggers a series of chemical reactions within the seed, kickstarting the growth process. The embryo inside the acorn starts to swell, pushing against the hard shell until it eventually cracks open. Now, the real work begins. A tiny root, called a radical, emerges from the acorn, pushing its way down into the soil. This root anchors the seedling and begins to absorb water and nutrients from the ground. Soon after, a shoot, called a plumule, emerges from the other end of the acorn, reaching upwards towards the sunlight. As the seedling grows, it develops leaves, the vital organs for photosynthesis. Through photosynthesis, the seedling converts sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into energy, fueling its continued growth. Over time, the seedling strengthens, developing a sturdy trunk and a network of branches. But the journey doesn't stop there. Oak trees are incredibly long-lived, some even reaching thousands of years old. They continue to grow and evolve, providing shelter and food for countless creatures, and playing a vital role in the ecosystem. From a tiny acorn, a magnificent oak tree emerges, a testament to the power of nature. So, the next time you see an acorn lying on the ground, remember the incredible journey it's capable of. It's a reminder of the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of all living things. From a single seed, a whole world can unfold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.